the difference between a protected witness and a witness under the Witness Protection Program?
Okay, I understand, no? There is a seeming confusion din, no? Yung sino ba yung protected witness or sino ba yung state witnesses, no? Under RA 6981 po, or the law on the Witness Protection Security Benefit Program po, yung pong tinatawag nating protected witnesses, these are usually the ordinary witnesses that are being admitted into the program. So, sino po sila? Sila po yung mga taong may nalalaman na impormasyon or may alam na tungkol doon sa isang krimen na gusto nilang mag-testify or sila ay nakapag-testify na or is about to testify before any judicial or quasi-judicial body po. Ngayon, yung state witness po, ito po ay yung mga witnesses po, no, or persons na kung saan sila ay kasama doon sa krimen, no? So they are actually a participant in the commission of a crime. Now they wanted to be admitted as a state witness. So may mga requirements din po 'yon. Ano po ba ang isa po sa notable requirement is that kailangan he is not the most guilty, no? At pangalawa is that the offense involved is a grave felony, meaning to say the penalty for the crime is reclusion perpetua to death, and that there is an absolute necessity doon po sa kanyang testimony. At sa kanyang testimony can be substantially corroborated in its material points. And ito, isang importanteng bagay din, he was not convicted of any crime involving moral turpitude. So, ang protected witnesses, to sum up, no, ito po yung mga wala kinalaman doon sa krimen, no? They wanted to testify dahil unang-una meron silang alam, and then there is threat to their lives or that of their family members which would prevent them from testifying in that crime. Yung state witness po, kasama po siya sa krimen, no?
Kaso attorney, itong mga to na protected witness, kasama sa krimen eh.
Kung kasama ka po sa krimen, mag-a-apply ka as a state witness.
So that's the next step, and obviously they want to be that, right?
Yes.
Because this grants them immunity.
Yes. So yung pong admitted to the Witness Protection Program will be granted immunity from criminal prosecution. At ito po ang matindi, no? So they won't be subjected to penalty or forfeiture for any transaction or thing or matter concerning their compelled testimony. So kung meron po silang nakulimbat, nako, hindi po mababawi yun, no? Kaya nga isa yun sa mga isa yun sa pribilehiyo, no? Or the effect granted on the state witness privilege.